Greetings, it's Saturday the 10th of April and what I'm doing today, a tiny video in connection with Trellis. As you can see, these very long lengths of wood. They are, to make the trellis up, they're 3.2 meters long at this point. And what I'm doing is I'm cutting them up. I happen to have two workmates. So I've got the two and the stretch between the two, which is convenient to do. And what I'm doing here is I've made a mark where I want to cut it. As you can see, there's the mark, and this little Magnuson wood saw is just perfect, absolutely perfect for the job I'm doing. So I'm cutting them there. I can't cut, well, I could cut this in front of you, but it's like this. I do need two hands to do that. These are the offcuts. They're all the offcuts that I won't need just at the moment. I need 17 of these things at the moment. So those are the offcuts, and the actual pieces I should be using for the trellis, for the lengths of the trellis, are these ones here. And I need it's either 17 or 16 of them. No, I think it must be 16. So I'm keeping a little note as I'm going as to how much I'm cutting them. So there you go. That's how far we're going with the trellis today.